Find the following indefinite integral. The integral of x sine 2x dx. Now this is a straightforward integration by what's known as parts. We've got a sort of a product, sort of using the opposite of the product rule. So the integral of x sine 2x dx. For this type of integral, we have to use integration by parts. And the integration by parts says the integral of u dv by dx dx is uv minus integral of v du by dx dx. So you let u be equal to x. So one of these you let be x, and the other one you let be dv by dx. Then in time you'll realise which one has to be which. So du by dx will be 1 because I'm going to need to differentiate that. Okay, and dv by dx is sine 2x. So if you integrate sine 2x, you get minus cos 2x, but you have to put in a half to compensate. So make sure you sort of understand that process. So the integral of x sine 2x dx is u, which is x. Now you put it in brackets times v, which is that. Don't forget the minus sign in front, and you essentially put it in brackets. Minus the integral of v, which is that, again put it in brackets, times du by dx, which is 1 dx, and then simplifying that a little bit further, this becomes minus a half x cos x 2x. This becomes minus minus, which is a plus. Take the half out, the integral sign of cos 2x dx, so we have reduced the integral to something that we can now work out. Okay, so just writing that line out again. So we've got minus a half x cos 2x, now we plus a half. Now, but when we integrate this, we're going to get sine 2x, and we will get an extra 2. So without a half there, that now becomes a quarter plus c. So this has been a video to show you how to do a very simple integration by parts. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.